Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a drop-down menu for Google Sheets. It's super easy, it can't be easier, and let's get started. So basically it looks like something like this, where I can choose my content pillar, or I can choose my social media channel, and we're just going to make it super easy for you. So for example, I've already created some that would say what's the post type and what's the priority. So there's a lot of different things you can do with this, and it can really help your team. And also you just create it once and then you don't have to do it again. Okay, so let's get started. And first of all, so I have these, I can change them. So I have a different sheet over, oh, sorry about that. Go away. I have a different sheet over here where I have my social media channel. So for example, if I say blog post, it's not really social media, but anyways, then it's over here. I can find the blog post and I will find it in all of these. So it's really useful because you can just quickly change it over here and then have it, changed here as well. So how do we actually do that? So let me just create one over here. And let's say we have social media channels. So I'm just going to do it here. And we have Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, all kinds of things. Now, what I will do is, let's say I want my drop down to be here. I'm going to click on it and I'm going to go to view more cell actions and I'm going to go to data validation. Okay, so now I'm going to choose list from a range and I'm going to click on this icon here. Once I do that, I just select my range and I can actually add some cells as well, because that, in the future, maybe I'll want to add something here and that's where I would add it. So I'm going to have that and I'm going to save. So now, as you can see, there's a little arrow here, and now I can choose my social media. If I add something here, whether it's a blog post or something else, it immediately appears here. Now, what if I want to have, repeat it? Then I just click on it, choose this little square thingy, and I just drag. And that's it. So now all of them are changed. And if I make changes over here, for example, I say TikTok, then it's changed everywhere. So, it's very useful, especially if you have multiple sheets. What if I want some colors in this? So then I would just choose view more cells, data validation. I would choose view more cells and conditional formatting. That's what I meant. And then I'm going to go and say text is exactly. I'm going to write Facebook here and then choose a color, which is blue in this case. And that's done. So whenever I choose Facebook, it turns blue. Now, maybe I have other social media, so I'm going to just add this here. And if I know that the text starts and it's not, others will not be the same, then I can just go easier and just, so T for TikTok, and I'm done. Another one, let's do Twitter. Promise this is the last one. Starts, okay, so this is a problem because it's, I need to do it exactly because there's two words with T. Anyways, I'm gonna do it like that, and I'm gonna change this one to TikTok, and I'm gonna change the color to white. So for text, you can do these things for it as well. And this is, I'm gonna make it blue. Okay, that's it. So now if I choose one of these, that like Twitter, or I choose TikTok, it changes the color for me automatically. These will not change, but we can do that by dragging this little square thing. And now we can do it and choose the Facebook part, or we can choose a Twitter part. Hi, Peppy. Okay. And another thing is that we can go here and we can add another I'm so distracted right now, sorry. We can add another data validation, and we can do it from a list of items. So then here I would just write A, B, and C, and that's it. And then I can just choose one that I need. So these are the ones that I'm choosing, and then I say A, B, or C. So this is kind of for your priority. So you don't have to have a list somewhere, but for me it's comfortable because then I can adjust it quicker. Either way, whichever is more comfortable for you. Okay, and now what if you wanted to have this in a separate sheet? No problem at all. Let me just create a new sheet. So I just click this icon here, and then I'm gonna write nonsense or something, maybe priority. Urgent, not urgent, I don't know words right now. I don't know. Okay, just gonna write nonsense. Anyways, so I can have these priorities over here. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go to my first sheet. I'm gonna choose the cell that I want. I'm gonna click on it, go to view more cell actions, go to data validation again. And I'm gonna choose list from range, click this icon here, and then I'm going to the one that I need. And that's it. I click OK, I save. And now if I go here, I can choose the one that is useful for me. All of these, you can also change their colors. You can make them however you want, and you can make them, you can change the text and stuff like that. I hope that this is useful. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments, and see you in the next video.